So in this video I would like to show you the importance of respecting Fibonacci reversal zone. So here we go. This long reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Shock or not? Are you seeing price selling off? Of course we do. Price collapses from Fibonacci reversal zone 80+% of the time. This is a channel right now on this junky little chart, 1-minute chart. Everyone seeing this? This is exact same Fibonacci levels and exact same strategy that's playing out right now on weekly. Are you seeing this? What is the difference? This is your investment decisions. This is a channel on weekly. As long as this Fibonacci support respected, market in bullish correction. But absolutely no surprise whatsoever where selling pressure came from, none. As we discussed with students before that very famous sell-off, day before I exited my positions. This was expected. And this is what's playing out right now on 1-minute chart. Ouch! I prefer to sleep well at night. It's not about extra dollar. Market in correction on one, market in correction on weekly. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. When price is dancing in correction, what is the smartest thing to do? Not to touch the markets. Bonds dancing in correction at key trend inception. Identical to what S&P is doing on the upside, key resistance. And this is what bonds had done at reversal zone. When market dancing in correction, smartest thing to do not to touch. And that's S&P 1-minute chart. This is the reason trading room open, so you can see the accuracy of the method instantly. No need to wait for months and years, no need to wait for days. You see it instantly. This is what you will see tomorrow morning on oil news. Boom. Fibonacci level identified weeks in advance in a play on oil. Do you remember this dance on oil? Do you remember bearish news? First week in August? Anyone surprised? Oil skyrocketed almost 300 points. Are you surprised buyers keep stepping in here on oil? Should not be. It's trend inception. It's a reversal zone. Fibonacci resistance, not the place to buy. This is what I will convert tomorrow to 1-minute chart on oil at the time of oil news. Identical formula you seeing on S&P to the upside. Separating corrections from reversals is the key. Price is frozen. Fibonacci support and Fibonacci resistance keeps trader out of trouble. Exact same identical sequence present right now also on Nasdaq. Take a look. This is Nasdaq weekly. Price been here for the last 8 weeks. And remember where Nasdaq sold off first week in 2018. Identical formula across the board on all the instruments. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Separating corrections from reversals is where your success starts from. When market in correction, do not touch the market. Simple. When market give you rules to short the market, enjoy the short. No reason to ever pull a trigger randomly. This was short on S&P last week, on any chart you traded. And this is massive correction on S&P the entire last week. This Fibonacci support was respected for 5 days. Eventually, what S&P did on this day trading chart that you can convert to any chart you trade. Here is 5. Identical dance. 5 days in a row. All the same formula. Rules are met, take a trade. Separate corrections from reversals. Do not touch corrections. Do not make your broker happy. Simple. Rules are met, take a trade. This is rule-based method that applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose to trade. 4 key rules for entry, Fibonacci for exits. Apply long-term Fibonacci levels. Obey the most important rule you learn in the course. Take a trade. No rules are met, do not touch the market. Add the execution and choose the instrument you want to trade. Simple. On long-term chart, hourly chart, this is key resistance. This is where market sold off from yesterday morning. And this is reversal zone on day trading chart. Will price finally sell off? Will this correction finally end? Rules are met, take short. So again, we're on standby for short. We're monitoring market very carefully. We have zero interest in correction. Knowledgeable trader understands the importance of execution. Knowledgeable trader never ever places market order. Knowledgeable trader places only bracket stop orders. Preset stop, preset target, adjusting stop and target when trade displays using stop order only. If price remains in correction in this massive fluff, we have zero interest in this market. This is a dense market, continues with nowadays 80+% of the time, because this is a dense on institutional charts. Market in correction on weekly. Simple. Identical structure. Price remains in ultimate correction. Price staged a little bit of a pullback, but it is identical dance as on long-term charts. All the same formula. All identical price action patterns. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. So again, Alpha 21 had given us bearish engulfing candle, correct? So in the course, we're constantly focusing on execution. In this particular example, you're seeing very clearly how much pain market is and how essential and crucial proper execution is to your success. So take a look at this correction. It is identical to weekly chart. And take a look at the importance of proper order placement. Never executed, never touched. Canceling the order is a brilliant thing to do. And that's what you're learning in the course. And that's the key. And that makes a world of difference. How to separate corrections from reversals is a core of the method, no matter what chart you trade. So pretty please review the information on the website under Learn and never hesitate to contact me as the focus of the course. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Rule-based method. In live classes, group classes 8 weeks, private mentoring 16 includes all live classes. I'm with students 5 days a week. I'm with students Monday through Thursday every single morning, and in key Fibonacci classes on Monday and Friday. If you are in private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one as well. Focus of the course, trend inception, trend reversal. Focus of the course, indicator free price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Listen to the students on what they trade and do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders, have a joy-filled afternoon. Market remains in correction. Absolutely no reversal, none are present. No reason to babysit this fluff. Remember, always and forever play by the rules, and if rules are met, take a trade. Buy at trend inception and sell only if rules are met. Rules were met yesterday, rules are not met now. Market frozen in correction. And that's what you start mastering markets with. Rule-based method that separates correction from reversal. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.